For the best experience, please watch this video on a phone or tablet. Set the resolution to high. Stand up and pan your phone to look around. Communities living in developing countries, such as Madagascar, are especially vulnerable to climate change, with both their livelihoods and their food security at risk. In response, the Organisation de Soutien pour le Développement Rural à Madagascar, an affiliate of the Aga Khan Foundation, has been working hand in hand with local smallholder farmers to develop innovative regenerative farming solutions that not only build community climate resilience, but also revitalize entire ecosystems. The Zanatany system of rice cultivation is one such innovation. Merging traditional local knowledge with an evidence-based approach, the Zanatany system prioritizes environmental health and sustainable crop production. The system consists of 7 interconnected regenerative farming principles: direct seeding, mix cropping and rotation, fodder compensation, on-farm production of natural and quality inputs, minimal tillage, livestock integration, and agroforestry integration. OSDRM works with farmers to help them to adopt these principles at their own pace and to encourage them to keep innovating. Since 2022, farmers who have adopted the Zanatany system have witnessed increased rice yields and improved soil health. They are diversifying their crops, spending less labor, and growing their incomes. They are also healthier. Utilizing local raw materials and improving the efficiency of resource use, the Zanatany system offers a sustainable path to food security, improved nutrition for vulnerable populations, and increased household income. Not using harmful chemical products such as pesticides or fertilizers means they eat healthier products, have fewer health problems, and spend less on medical visits. With limited access to green materials for composting and seeds, farmers have introduced a revolving seed system to share and recycle seeds. Using agroecological innovations such as the Zanatany system, farmers in Madagascar are demonstrating the potential for regenerative farming to nourish both communities and their environments so that they not only survive but thrive. Today, each grain of rice holds the promise of a more sustainable, food-secure future.